Hey everyone, in this video I am going to solve this lab. First of all, copy this adventure application, this link, and after copy, open in private window and paste it over here and wait for a second. And now for code, go to tasks and scroll down, copy these adventure codes, then come over here and paste this code, click on submit. And now what you have to do, choose any of this option and just select any of this option, click on assessment, again click on assessment, now click on submit assessment. Now for code, just copy this assessment code and come over here and paste it, click on submit. Now come over tux and copy this lab name, sorry, now copy this lab name and open in new tab. Now click on these three hanger icon. Now open this explore option in new tab, right click on it and open in new tab. Now in search box paste it and hit enter. Now open this. Now click on this right corner, these checkpoints, and click on check my progress, and you have to minimum 60 seconds to wait to complete this lab. They have mentioned you have to wait 60 seconds to complete, so wait for 60 seconds. Then we got 100 out of 100. Now come over here and refresh this page and scroll down and check if we got green tick. Now in this lab. See you next video. Still and bye bye.